is their portfolio of products. So what you're going to see is 4 products we're going to bring, starting in around $50,000 up to the low $110,000. And that's going to, you can think about, we're at $300,000, how now we're going to be able to put that into much more of a kind of a mass market. And you think about this, it's like really a feat of engineering. You're going to have to go to the show and check it out. Ultimately, it's about what you produce, right? It's about the parts you can produce. And what you will see with this product is you're going to be able to make, just like our first product, high quality, finished grade products. This is actually a cooling system for an electric vehicle. Now we can produce it in black. This product will be able to do black, white, and of course, you'll be able to do full color. And again, mechanically robust. There's no compromise in speed, quality, cost, and this is a prosthetic leg for kind of a medical application. So you can see it basically opens up a complete new set of design possibilities.
This is happening as we speak. Doing these things today, we can put on the face of a part like a bitmap. But how do you then communicate to the 3D printer to do this consistently? How do you communicate? How do you build the driver? So now, HP and us have been founding members of the 3MF consortium. It is very important. So all these capabilities will be supported by industrial open standards, okay? But the reason why we are coming together is because standards to consolidate take a lot of time. We don't have all this time. This is a prosthetic. We have to help people now. So the reason why we are working together is because we wanted to be ahead of the curve and create standards by working together in order to really control the voxel. Today there is no software that can control the voxel. Today, every software that is on Earth today think in terms of homogeneous materials. Now the world is changing. And even, the engraving today is thought as removing material. You basically use etching or you use laser cutting. And even a bitmap is just there for decoration because there is no machine today that can put a bitmap just as a map of color on a part. Now HP can do that.